Let's take a look at this problem. We got negative 7 over 8 times 10 over 3 times 11 over 5. Now the instructions say to compute, but a lot of different ways you could write this. You could say multiply. We're multiplying fractions together. Now remember our steps for multiplying fractions together. You're going to first simplify as much as you can. And what I mean by that is if you can divide a number on top and a number on the bottom by the same number, do so. Well, here's an 8 and here's a 10. The only condition is one's on top, one's on the bottom. One's in the numerator and one's in the denominator. And they're both divisible by the same number. They don't have to be in the same fraction. They can be, but they don't have to be. Well, 8 and 10 are both divisible by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we're going to have negative 7/4 times 5/3 times 11/5. We can still do a little bit more simplifying. Again, the only guideline is one's on top, one's on the bottom, and they're both divisible by the same number. Here's a 5 and 5. They're both divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So then we got negative 7/4 times 1/3 times 11 over 1. Now there's nothing else that I can simplify. I can do some canceling with. So I'm just going to start multiplying. And our order of operations says that you, in terms of the, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, you do multiplication from left to right. So let's do this first two. When you're multiplying two fractions together, you multiply the top parts, the numerators, multiply the bottom parts, the denominators. Negative 7 times 1 is negative 7. 4 times 3 is 12. And this other fraction just carries down. And now we multiply these together. Negative 7 times 11 is negative 77. And 12 times 1 gives us 12. Now if you've done a good job up above of simplifying, canceling, then there's no simplifying to do at this point. This is already in reduced form. So that'd be your answer.